So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable the red LED lights on a GoPro camera. Now this is a really useful tip to know how to do in case you are filming in public, because sometimes when you are filming on a camera and this red LED light is flashing, it can startle some people, it can give them the wrong impression. I like to turn my LEDs off sometimes depending on where I'm shooting, and the front facing screen as well, just to make it look like the camera is turned off and it doesn't really draw any attention to what I am doing. You can also turn the LED lights off to save batteries as well. So we'll jump over to the camera and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we've got my GoPro Hero 9 here, but this will work on a GoPro Hero 9 and 10 and probably other models as well. What we're going to do is we're going to swipe down, we're going to swipe to the left, and we're going to hit Preferences. Then we're going to click General, and we're going to scroll down until we see something here called LEDs. Now I've currently got mine all turned on, but if we turn them all on and we hit record, you'll see a red flashing light appear, and you'll also have a red flashing light on the front. You can also change this as well, so you can turn the front off only. So if we're recording, it will give you the red light on the back of the camera, but on the front it's obviously not flashing. So this is really useful from a video standpoint. You know that you are recording, but it doesn't bring any attention to the front of the camera. So if that video was useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up or a like, because it helps it show it to more people. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, all the best.